Hi dear friends, I hope you're safe sound and have a great time. Today I would like you to bring one of my favorite places. It is the Admamad Mountain. Admamad Mountain is located at Tani district, Khost province of Afghanistan. Admamad Mountain has been featured in Afghanistan Earth. According to it, Admamad Mountain is one of the most attractive places of Tani district because of its nature beauty. This place is really good to attract foreign tourists. If you want to chill, have fun with your friends, and have some quality time with your families, this is the perfect place, which has fantastic views, fascinating cloud views when put down, and green and beautiful area, which always gives peace to the soul. All kinds of plants and trees, beautiful flowers, that everywhere butterflies flying. And the interesting thing is the rain. This place has rain all the time. When you come, you will enjoy it a lot.
دوستانو د کوچیانو سیمه ته راورسېدو. دلته چې دی دوکانونه دی، هوټل دی، تاسو وینئ شتون لري او لږ لږ څاڅکې هم دی د بارانو. خدای دې وکړي چې په خیر سره موږ ورسېږو. دوستانو د ادماماد سیمې ته راورسېدو. ادماماد چې دی هغه غرنۍ سیمه ده، ډېرې ښکلې منظرې لري. دوستان یو څه باران هم و چې لږ څه یې لانده کړل. دوستانو تر اخره زموږ سره پاتې دی ادماماد ښکلاګانې پر تاسو.